After any heart opening posture, especially wheel pose, make sure to counteract with a forward fold. Stay here for 10 breaths after wheel pose. Next, we move on to Camel Pose or Ustrasana. Bring your knees to the ground. Knees right below your hips. Palms to heart center. Tailbone tucked in. Shoulders drawn back. You can bring your hands to your waist if that's easier, or you can go to Ustrasana from your palms in heart center. Slowly bend your body at the waist and look back. Keep pushing your hips forward. Touch your heels. Push your hips forward so it's almost perpendicular to the mat. So it's not like that. It's more like this. And breathe. Come out the way that you entered. Chin tucked in. Palms to heart center. If you want to go deeper into Ustrasana, bring your palms to heart center. Go back. Ustrasana. Exit the way that you came, or lie down flat on the mat. As always, to counteract any heart opening posture, make sure to do a forward fold.